traffic guys. Red color stop. On the way kami guys magpagas. And yellow na, it's green, time to go. Magpagas kami guys. Pagas gas. Medyo malayo-layo guys yung ano natin. Papanak pa lang nila. Okay, so tingnan nyo guys. Ganda siya tingnan guys. Oh. Yeah. It's nice. The pine tree ha. In the street. Diphtheria this one. And cherry this one. Going Larnaca. Anne masalini. Municipality stadium and swimming pool. Huh? Have swimming pool also there, baby. Have swimming pool. Ang bahay guys. Oh. May aso doon. Diyan kami magpagas guys. Dahil mura lang daw. Kaya lang, hindi ako pwede mag-video dyan guys ha. Kasi bawal. Ay, hindi naman bawal. Natatakot lang ako. Mamit ng cellphone. Ayan. I-off ko na siya guys. Ayan, Star Oil. Pauwi na kami guys.
Too much people call this. It's very cheap.
Yeah?
140. 140 what is star oil is.
Star oil. But it's nice this one. The gas.
It's a difference.
Dami pang sasakyan guys. It's very nice already the weather. Nagpagas lang guys. Tapos balik ulit. Okay, so tumaya na naman siya ng loto ng Joker. Loto, Joker tsaka Loto, pareha lang siya guys. Mataas din, 10 million na daw, 12 million na pala ang Joker guys, oh. 12,300,000. Oh, ang laki na guys. Sana manalo kami. Today is, what is this today? Tuesday. Ah, may Joker pala ngayon. Yan, kaya pala maraming sasakyan guys, oh. Isip tayaan din ng mga mga CY.